Hey everyone, it's Will's Adventures 92, back at you with another video. This morning I woke up early at 5 o'clock, and I never do this, so this was new to me. And it was a beautiful sunrise, and so I didn't know what to do. I was saying to myself, should I go and capture the sunrise, or should I go back to bed? And this was the point whenever I decided to take it to God. So I said, Dear God, what should I do? Should I go out and see the sunrise, or should I go back to bed? And I heard this voice telling me, William, go out and see that sunrise. And so I did. I went and captured the sunrise, and I am truly grateful for it. You know, it's an amazing thing being able to grow in faith and trust in God. Yes, it can be difficult at times, but just to know that He is always there with you. He might not answer straight away whenever you pray, but just know the answers are there, and He will get back to you. Follow Him, trust Him, and praise Him. I praise Him, and so should you. It has brought me so much joy in my life to be in faith with Him.